leadership program disguised as a way to market and enroll. So yeah, thanks for saying that. Appreciate you, Elizabeth. Thank you for being a part of it. TaQuita, welcome.
Hello.
Love your office setup.
Thank you. Thank you. I had created a high ticket offer. I had a course. I was actually working with a beta group. I have been working with my beta group for, at that time, maybe like 9 or 10 months. And then it kind of triggered somewhere where you were saying you have this free community. In that free community, how you're nurturing your community. It became clear that's like, hey, it was like you're working in an area that you're trying to ignore. What you're teaching overlaps with what you're practicing. Stop trying to go into another direction. So that's why it really is a program where it integrates the legal knowledge, the money management strategies, and legacy planning. Okay, 20 plus years of estate planning attorney. Like, where are you going? So, but I was trying to pull it back. It's like, well, I want to focus on the young professionals. It's like you need to focus on the professionals you're already working with. And I was like, well, what about this? It's like, no, and these are the ones you need to be talking to. I was like, but you're leaving this whole other group out. It's like, well, no, because that is where you are, and this is who you are, who you are, and this is who you need to speak to. So this level of clarity, how it's showing me how both businesses are going to overlap, meaning Moodle Management, which is a company that's established here with you guys, will the law firm is working for Moolah Managers. It's like, hey, who you think is going to draft the estate planning and legacy documents for that avatar, but you and the Moolah Management, how you helped and develop the money management strategies has to come first to get your avatar. And it's not, again, those beginners, it's where you are. I mean, even that course, it's like, remember I said I have a course on a whole nother platform. It's like, yeah, that course is going to have to be redirected and not completely restructured, but redirected in some sense because I have more clarity. So, I mean, I'm so clear about the direction. It's crazy clear, crazy clear. If any of you guys decide you want to jump into the community and take a look, I'm telling you from day one, when you hit that button, I'm telling you where we're going to go, the pathways how we're going to get there, and where I want you to eventually get. Thank you so very much.
Yeah, thank you for your energy and all that you put into this. Yeah, we love it. I can see everyone lighten up. So congratulations, and just thank you for leading.
This is for you, like us. We got the money. What we learned without a plan, it would just lead us to no negative. Let's go create a smart plan together, just one step at a time. I need you to start here. Join the Secure the Bag Society and take your first step toward legacy clarity, not just the cash. I need to clear something up though. We still gonna be stacking high and still stand fly, but now with power, protection, and preparation. So, if you done playing with your piece, you done pretending that a paycheck is a plan, then come on, join us. Hit that link and join the Secure the Bag Society. Let's build the kind of legacy that's too protected to be lost and too powerful to be ignored. We're not just stacking wealth, we're securing the why behind it. So let's go. I want to thank you for joining me. Next time, I'm going to see you in the next video.
Hey, wait. You want more information? Then scan this QR code or click that link in the description box below.